What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Mile High Customs. Today we have a super exciting video for you guys. Today we are about to install this Valvetronic exhaust on a vehicle that's sitting just right outside. We got the customer here with us. We are about to do an unboxing, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the package.
Don't let me go and play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Mine need me a couple dollars. Telling you now this.
Well, there we have it. Everything's all wrapped up nice and tight. This right here, I don't know what this is, but I'm guessing this has to do with the valve controller. These are some of the electronics. Looks like it is for the valve controller, so that way we can open and close the valves. This is the remote, so we'll go ahead and put this in the car for you once we're all done. And they got two of them, so you can keep one in the car and hide the other one if you'd like. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything all unpackaged, get it on the table. Robert will be on the assembly and on the installation. So let's go ahead and start taking everything out of the packages, and then we'll check back in with you guys here in just a little bit. So the customer wanted to see a little bit of a sneak peek, so this is what we'll give you guys. We got a gold titanium exhaust.
Back in my zone now. Ballin' can't beat me up 'cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
So we got the Valvetronic exhaust all laid out on this table. As you guys can see, it is titanium. It has all those beautiful colors inside of it, all that gold, all that purple, and all that blue. It really is a shame that no one really gets to admire just at how beautiful this exhaust system looks, but this is what we're here for, to show you guys all the behind the scenes, show you guys what the exhaust looks like before it gets put on the vehicle and before it gets hidden from the rest of the world. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, and we'll check back in with you guys once we have the exhaust put back on, and we'll also show you guys what it sounds like once it's all complete, so stay tuned.
'Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now. Ballin' can't beat me up 'cause I'm back in my zone now. Ballin' can't beat me up 'cause I'm back in my zone now. Zone now. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone.
So we just finished up the Valvetronic exhaust on the Lamborghini Urus. If you guys take a closer look at the exhaust tips, they do have a very OEM style tip. They do kind of have that slanted angle tip. And then if you get even closer, right over there on the top is the Valvetronic emblem or the Valvetronic logo. Just a little bit of branding with that. They are very beautiful, have that very gold, purple, blue look to the titanium, which is really nice. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the vehicle right now, show you guys what it sounds like throughout the different modes. We have Strata, we have Corsa and Sport. And then remember, this is a valve controlled exhaust. That means with a push of a button, the valves will open and close. So that way, if you want it super quiet in a neighborhood or at night, you can have that option. Or if you want it loud and obnoxious, you can go ahead and open up the valves and really get that nice deep sound from the V8 twin turbo engine. So let's go ahead and turn it on. guys just heard what the Valvetronic exhaust sounds like on this Lamborghini Urus, not only in Strata, but in Sport and in Corsa mode with the valves both open and closed. And remember, this is a titanium exhaust. So if you guys take a closer look at the tips, you guys can already start to see them start to change colors. There is a little bit more gold and purple just around the edges. And then once this exhaust system really heats up, the whole underside is gonna turn a beautiful gold, purple, and blue color. You guys probably won't get to see that. Probably, honestly, no one will other than a mechanic that lifts up the vehicle and looks underneath. Maybe we can get the customer to come back and get some of that footage on video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what it sounds like. This is a $6,000 titanium exhaust system. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys think it sounds good? Would you guys leave it stock? Is it worth the money? Let me know what you guys think about it, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.